Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a concept freak and an who loves to play with makeup. And of course, you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is actually a get ready with me video. I'm actually going to be busy today. Some sort busy. Sorry for the background noise. The kids, it's from, what time is it? 10:16 on a Saturday morning. So, usually they watch TV, but things are changing with that because attitudes need to change. But let's get started. So I already did my face and did my eyebrows and everything. So probably seen, if you're new here, I kind of repeat this every single time. But you know me, been here for quite some time. I use a WetnWild UltimateBrow in medium. I use this shade in the middle, which I already hit pan, which I'm very excited about, and also I use Anastasia's Brow Freeze. This actually is one of my favorite brands. Has become my favorite brand, and definitely have to try out more of the products. I love that stuff, and I found out that Elf has had another one. So I'm gonna prep my lips, and I'm using the Glow Recipe lip pop and lip balm scrub thing. And yes, it does have a little pink to it. And I got this in my Ipsy bag for my 6th product. Actually, it's become really. So, and also on my face, I use the Revolution Conceal and Glow Illuminating Foundation, medium to full coverage with, I made this matte because I'm a matte girl, but you know what, I do like the coverage, so I'm definitely going to get the matte one. Underneath it, I've used the WetnWild. This is not my favorite product at all, but I'm trying to use it up, so yeah. But I do like the setting spray. So funny, I like the setting spray. And also, I use concealer. I use like 3 concealers because I want to see how it looks. I used the Pro Concealer from LA Girl, and then I used CoverGirl's. I used the Benefit Cakeless one. This is actually a very good product, but sadly this is not cruelty free. I'm just using it up because I'm just going to use it up, and then use the or whatever that one, but it's the clean matte one, which I really do like. They have 3 different tones. There were 3 different tones. I'm just seeing how they came up, but they're really good. They did a good job of okay. And I did my of course I did my highlight and contour. I used the middle shade. I love this highlighting palette and contour. This is actually one of my favorites, and I'm definitely just gonna hopefully. I wish they came out with single ones and came magnetic and everything else because I really love it. But yes, so I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer, and if I can't find it, I'm my lining one, and I don't know what happened to it. So yeah. But I am going to use the Beauty Crop Stock on You eyeshadow primer. I really do like this stuff. So I like it. So like I said, this is something I want to try different, and hopefully it works. So I'm going to use the Smudge pot from e.l.f. It's called Cruisin Chic or Chic. It's nice, like a taupey color. Like I said, this is not like just to see if I like this. It gives a nice little color. I do like that. So I just want a little color on my eyes, and I might go with a transition shade. Like, really don't do everyday colors. oh, it's an everyday type of look. I do more like glam looks, but it's just one of those days, I guess. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. So, I had to stop it because there was a lot of noises and everything else. So, I'm going to use the Tarte double thick eyeliner and everything else. So, I'm using the pencil thing because it is a double ended and it has like things that I'm just going to do like this. Okay, this is like really pretty, but it's a little bit tough for some reason. But I am going to smudge it just a little bit. I don't know why, but I'm going to smudge it. It's a nice little smoke effect. I know you get to see what it's like when I do it mix in the morning. I wish I wouldn't wait till 10 o'clock. Sometimes like, oh, I can do this at 8:30 in the morning. No, it doesn't work that way. Only at night. Okay, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. I really do like this mascara. I think it's affordable. I don't like it. And I'm just volumizing like so. Hate this. Really pretty. I really like that. Whew. Now blush and highlighter. So for the blush, I'm using the Lotti London Ombre blush in Serena. That's what it looks like. Nice pinky and peachy, which I do want. So use a brush like this. Having cat ear. Fucking cat hair. So I'm just gonna go. It's very powdery, that's what I noticed, but I do like this brand. And it does a nice peachy look, which I just want to keep it like neutral as much as possible. And I feel like this gives me a neutral look. So, good product. Most of it. For highlighter, I'm going to use AOA Wonder Fake Highlight in Bonbon. This is actually always been my favorite highlighter. I don't know. Just not in the mood of just using these colors. But you can use it wet. People say, oh, it's a juice, right? I don't like it. Well, it's fake highlighter. And it does give me like this softest glow. Like it's not going to give the pow look that you want unless you spray it. But I'm just not going to do that because I want this to be like a soft look. Get off my laptop! Sorry. Okay. I didn't really kick on the foundation or anything like that because I just want to, this isn't everyday, this is not like a really, okay, we're going to, okay, I'm going to use Italia Deluxe and Dusty Rose. This is like one of my favorite, has become my favorite formula. This is what's quite creamy. can get this on Amazon, so I'll put the link down below. And this is just for FYI. This is going to be updated because I don't like it. From, what's this, Sugar. It's like really a good brand, and I'm definitely going to have to get more of these products. And I got this from Anastasia. And this is like a pretty good match with that look. Really creamy, really buttery, really comfortable. So, do recommend this one. Of course, all the products that I talked about will be linked down below. But yeah, I really like how this came out. Like, this is like an everyday simple look. It's not like, oh, glamorous and everything else. Sometimes I get in my mood like, yeah, I want a super glam look. I made a new word, glam and look at the same time. Look, but I just need to put some makeup on. It's just one of those days and months and time of the year. But you know what? We're gonna get through it, right? We are. Thank you, Shelby, for that lovely comment you put in that video. It's appreciative comment, and thank you so much. It did help me a lot. It shows me I'm not the only one going through it. And I know I'm not the only one going through it, but it's nice to know that I can speak to you guys and speak to you like you're here and right in front of me. So it makes me happy that I can talk and have some common areas, not just makeup and also not mental health. I want to, but it's good to talk about it. So yeah, I really do like this look. I really like the formula. Love this. So I definitely have a few other ones, and if they come out with more colors of these, I'm definitely going to get more of these, just for an easy go, pop and go type of deal. But yeah, nice. Yeah, and it feels like it's powdery too, so that's what I do like. And hopefully it stays on there. But yeah, so this is my look for today. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, where we just play with makeup and just have fun, just talk random stuff. And this is a judgment-free zone, and also a judgment-free zone. We don't put up with that at all. We just sit here, have fun, and just talk about crazy stuff. And of course, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos. Sorry for the background noise. Sorry for the interruptions. But, that's part of my life. Good. That happens. That's what happens, But, oh well. Guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. God bless. Bye.